Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new starter solenoid for the 85 to 89 trucks and Broncos. Until now, the market has primarily offered generic replacements, but we're proud to introduce a solenoid that not only fits perfectly, but also functions just like the original. This solenoid features a zinc plated bracket and a black Bakelite housing, ensuring it not only performs well, but also maintains that authentic look you expect. Engineered to fit seamlessly into your 1985 to 89 truck or Bronco, this solenoid will restore that fresh off the factory floor appearance. So if you're dealing with a faulty solenoid in your truck or Bronco, upgrade to a restoration quality reproduction from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.